Good morning, students. I, Neha, your teacher of English, welcome you all in Rishikul Online School. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you all sample paper 3 for class 9 for the subject English language and literature. Dear student, in this paper we are having 3 sections. Section A is of reading, section B is of grammar, and section C is of literature. So today in this lecture we will start with section A, reading portion, which is of 10 marks. Dear students, comprehension is a skill and every skill demands practice. Once you have acquired the skill, you will realize that it is not difficult to answer questions based on a given passage because the answers are present in the passage itself. Some steps you have to follow for this. First, read the passage carefully. Try to grasp the main theme of the passage. Then, read the questions carefully and use the skills of reasoning and comprehension. So first, read the passage carefully. It is not easy to follow a healthy lifestyle in the presence of so many forces encouraging inactivity and bad eating habits. The stress and time pressure that we experience are the major reason for ill health today. It is well established that an emotional state can be transferred to person, found in the phenomenon of higher tipping for a happy waitress. New work in the area of the network theory has yielded intriguing results with implications for health and well-being. Two recent studies show that people who are surrounded by many happy people are more likely to become happy in future. Statistics model suggested that cluster of happiness result from the spread of happiness. Similarly, obesity may spread in a social network in a pattern that depends on the nature of social ties. For obesity, social distance appears to be more important than geographical distance. Within these networks, could a doctor play a helpful role in such a personal network? It is a reasonable supposition, given the time-honored notion that the doctor who knows you well, cares about you, will be a better doctor. When such a person conveys by look and deed a commitment to healthy living, the force of example may be a powerful non-verbal influence. Now see the question answer. And the first one is, we are unhealthy due to. Here 4 options are there and you have to choose the correct one. And for the first question, D part is the correct option. We are unhealthy due to a sedentary lifestyle, consuming ready-to-eat foods, and meetings deadline. So all of the above is the correct option. Now see the second question. A happy waitress gets a higher tips as she charms her customers, her happiness is infectious, she serves good food, or the fourth option is she tricks her customer in paying more. So B is the correct answer. Now see the third question. A recent study showed that we need to be surrounded by happy people, remain happy, remain in cluster, take care of our future. So the first one is the correct option, be surrounded by happy people. Now the next question is, our body weight is linked with the kind of food that we eat, or people we interact, or social bonding that we have, and the next option is places we live in. So the correct option is social bonding that we have. Now see the next question. The synonym of yielded is a thought, brought, showed, and recommended, and the correct option is the B. Now see the next question. Obesity is spread in social network in a pattern that depends on the nature of people, or nature of society, or nature of social ties, or none of these, and the correct answer is nature of social ties.